In a small town lived an old blind man. He was blind, yet while walking out at night, he used to carry a lighted lamp with him. One night, while he was out of his house, a group of young travelers saw him. After seeing him, they realized that he was blind. Travelers couldn't understand that why would a blind person carry a lighted lamp and started making fun of him. One of those travelers got curious and asked, "You are blind and can't see anything. Then why do you carry a lighted lamp with you?" The blind man replied, "Yes, I am blind and can't see anything. Still, I carry a lighted lamp with me for people like you who can see. If I walk at night without a lamp, one may not be able to understand that a blind man is coming and would end up pushing me." They felt ashamed of their behavior and apologized. The moral of the story: we should not make fun of others just because we don't understand them. Don't judge others. Always be polite and try to learn things from others' point of view. Think for a minute. See you tomorrow.